Okay, now we are going to have a quick matter review to go over everything that we've learned so far. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. If you can see it, touch it, feel it, smell it, taste it, then it is matter. Balls, juice, air, stuffed animals, rocks, trees, humans, cows, and syrup are all different kinds of examples of matter. So again, matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. I have a little song for you. It goes to Three Blind Mice, and it's, what is matter? What is matter? What is matter? A solid, liquid, or gas? A solid, liquid, or gas? It takes up space and weighs something too. It's everywhere, that includes me and you. Did you ever think such a thing could be true? That is matter. That is matter. So in this poem, it's saying that matter is a solid, liquid, or gas. It takes up space and weighs something, which means the same thing as it has mass. It takes up space and has mass. It's everywhere and includes me and you. We are made of matter, and that's what matter is. Okay, so we said that matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. The more something weighs, the more mass it has. So here in this picture, we have the truck and the cat. This scale, the one that goes down, weighs more and therefore has more mass. So this truck has more mass than the little kitten. So again, mass goes with weight. The more it weighs, the more mass it has. A property is the smell, taste, sound, look, or feel of a thing. Think of your five senses. If you can describe it with your five senses, then you're talking about something's properties. So the properties of this baseball are that it smells like leather, is white with red stitches, it's hard, can be a little squishy on the tops, but the inside you can feel is hard. It's smooth on the parts that are white and bumpy over the stitches. We can also describe the milk over here because we don't have to just describe the properties of solids, we can describe the properties of liquids as well. So milk is white, it's cold, it feels wet, it's slippery, and it tastes, well, I think it tastes like milk. It tastes good, but some other people might think differently. So we can talk about how something smells, sounds, tastes, looks, or feels because they are matter. The three states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. All matter, so anything you can see, taste, touch, smell, or feel is either a solid, liquid, or gas. Everything in the world that's made of matter is either a solid, a liquid, or a gas. Solids keep their shape even when you put them in different containers. Examples of solids are balls, stuffed animals, cups, pencils, jackets, people, animals, plants, and many more. You can hold most solids in your hands without them spilling, unless they are too big. Examples of solids are a table, containers, rings, glass, tire. These are all things that keep their shape no matter where you put them. I could put this tire on the table and it's still going to look like a tire. I could put the tire in the trash can and it's still going to look like that same shape. Liquids take the shape of the container they are in. They can usually be poured. Examples include milk, water, juice, liquid hand soap, syrup, honey, soda, smoothies, etc. These are some picture examples of liquids. So most of the time you can pour a liquid and it takes the shape of the container it's in. See, this syrup is in the shape of this container here, but this hot sauce is in the shape of this container. And then this juice is in the shape of this juice box drink. So it takes the shape of whatever you put it in. Gases spread to fill a container. You can't always see them, but you know they are there. Examples of gases include air, oxygen, steam, and smoke. So here's the picture of smoke, steam, and then there's air in these balloons. So gases spread out to fill an entire container. They don't just, like liquids, lay at the bottom of the container that they're put in. Gases just spread the whole thing, spread out and fill the whole thing. So those are the three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. And remember, matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. Mass is the amount of matter in an object, and the more it weighs, the more mass it has. And then property is just describing the matter, telling what it looks like and feels like, smells, tastes, and sounds like.